Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by signing into the Gmail account you plan to remove. This gives you the permissions needed. Once signed in, make sure recovery options are visible, phone or backup email, because Google may require verification. Open the account in a desktop browser for full settings. Mobile apps sometimes hide options. Now navigate to your profile icon at the top right, click it, and choose Manage Your Google Account to begin the exact removal flow. Once in Manage Your Google Account, go to the Data and Privacy tab to reach deletion controls. You'll see a Downloads, Deletions, and Data area. Click it so you can either export content or remove services. Choose Delete a Google service if you want to remove Gmail only, or delete your Google account to remove everything. You'll be asked to re-enter your password and confirm which data will be deleted. Do this carefully because these steps are irreversible. Now confirm the deletion choices shown. Read the warnings because deletion removes emails and access for linked services. Re-enter your password, verify via 2FA or recovery email, and click the final Confirm button to complete removal. Make sure you exported any important data before confirming. If you encounter errors, try clearing browser cache, use an incognito window, or verify recovery info. These fixes resolve most verification and session problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.